It has been less than a week now that I've been living in this room, and look what has happened. Fucking bugs all over the place. They're on my bed. They're everywhere. There's one crawling on the screen of the camera right now. On my pillow. On the book that I was reading. I'm fairly sure if I open a random page, one of them's going to pop out. And this bag that I went to collect the thing is in. My laptop. There should be one there. You see that? That's crawling there. There's a bunch over there. No, they're not bedbugs, Sam. On my headphones. They're everywhere. Which is why I have this. Can spray this room full out and come back in. Why? Why?